Okay, we're off. So this is my beautiful bike. I've had all sorts of issues with my microphone, as you probably heard on my other videos, so I'm recording this audio after I've recorded the video, which I did on Sunday. I had a great ride out around Auckland. Look at this beautiful scenery that we've got right on our doorstep here. We're so lucky. It's bloody awesome. And so is my bike, actually. It's absolutely bloody awesome. Look at it. Stunning. What a stunning, stunning machine. On a stunning, stunning day. It was bloody great. So I spent a little bit of time just kind of admiring her. She's pretty, and she's pretty powerful. This is my last ride out until I go to the UK, all away from this beautiful spring weather, which is not like that today. It's been pissing down. I got soaked this week. But going to the UK for 3 weeks on Friday. It's now a Wednesday evening. There I am. That's me. Looking pretty suave. Oh yeah. Anyway, I'm going to the UK for 3 weeks, so looking forward to that. Gonna miss the bike. Hopefully when I get back, all the shitty weather would have gone. Oh, look at that. Just put myself into the little holder on my handlebars. Yeah. So I rode from my home in Auckland all the way through to Thames, just outside of Auckland, and around some windy old roads, which was fun. I don't know why my microphone seems to stop working every time I press record on my on the body harness strap-on type device that I've started to use. It bloody does my head in because I test it, and then every time I put the material on my laptop, it just doesn't have any sound, so it's bloody annoying. I have to take the sound from my the other camera. It's kind of much harder to talk as well when you're not actually riding. I'm sitting in my living room right now watching this video, trying to put some sound over the top of it, which is a bit weird. But boy, does that bike go. It goes like that absolute clappers, man. It is seriously fast. I've taken wheelie control off and put traction control down to 1, and it just makes such a massive difference in the power. I am thinking about getting the Aprilia can and getting rid of the little flap in the exhaust, and also saving some weight. But you know, I've said it before, and I'm not afraid to admit it. I quite like the stock can, the way it looks. I don't know what it is. Don't hate me, but I do. I can't help it. It's just one of those things. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I'm going to really concentrate on doing some more videos when I get back from the UK at the end of October. Hopefully I'll be able to get my audio working properly. If not, I'm just going to buy an audio recorder and do it through that. It's just a bit of a nightmare to sync up in the video, but anyway, if you're thinking about getting a Tuono, I highly recommend it. It's just so much fun just to have a smile on your face. I have a smile on my face from ear to ear all the time when I'm riding it. It just goes like the clappers, and the front wheel just likes to come off the ground. Oh, there I go, getting some speed up. It's so good, but don't go too fast, obviously. I got a speeding ticket actually, 115 k's in a 100k zone, so not too bad, but try not to get too many of them. Anyway, have a good one, and I will be back at the end of October if anyone's interested. Enjoy the rest of this little video. It's 13 minutes long. You're nearly halfway through. You can just watch me on my ride. Speak to you all later. Bye.